Hey everyone, it's Jessica Licona coming to you live from the Licona Team Compass Austin headquarters. And I'm sure many of you all have seen that Austinites voted unanimously for the Proposition A. And what I wanted to mention about that is there's been some discrepancy as to what does that mean. And so I've heard people say that tax rates might even go up 25% more. If you look at Austin American Statesman, they did put out an article to remind you it's 4% increase. And then to remind you guys that the what that allows is to partner with Capital Metro. So they're going to take some money from the local homeowners, taxpayers, if you will, and then they'll look for some federal funding. And what they'll be doing is adding several lines. So some of the lines will be going northbound, some of them will be going sort of southbound and over into the southeast area and northeast of Austin. So be on the lookout for more information. Everything is just kind of getting started as we speak on finalizing with Proposition A being voted on. So let us know if you have any questions here. Thank you as always for tuning in. And if I can ever answer any questions for you about buying, selling, investing, leasing, or just wanting to take advantage of our amazing contacts through our concierge program, please think of us here at the Licona team. Take care.